Introducing the new Sunscreen Universal app. A reimagined experience and user interface consolidating all of your sunscreen tools into one industry-leading piece of software. QA/QC, work logs, SWIP inspections, near misses, safety audits, RFIs, GPS tracking, an offline queue, and more. Your daily tasks and all the features you rely on at your fingertips, regardless of which device you may have within reach. And on the horizon, coming later this year, module and barcode scanning, more robust reporting solutions, and material tracking. The future looks bright. We hope you brought your sunscreen.